it's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. Before we even get started, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, kill that post notification bell down below so y'all can be notified when I drop all my new videos. You did? So in the title below, you all can already see what I'm going to be doing today. I just literally walked in this house not too long ago. I got me a package. So I'm going to be doing a unboxing, and it's going to be of one of my best friends, Ashley's A3 brands. So I'm gonna leave all her information down below in the description box. I'm gonna link her Instagram. So if y'all like this gear that y'all see, y'all can go and order y'all some too. I'm gonna do a try on haul in this video as well. So I'm gonna let y'all see how the outfits look on me or whatever. I'm gonna do this unboxing or whatever. I'm gonna put some stuff together, some outfits together, and let y'all see. And then I got some stuff I already ordered before this one. So yeah, we're gonna head on, get straight into this little video one time. This box pretty heavy too, so yeah. It's hot. I'm gonna have to come up out this jacket. If you play sports, you need to get some of this A3 gear. Get you some. If you're a hooper, get you some of this gear. It's not just for hoopers. Just support, 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 support. Getting into this box. I'm gonna show y'all what I got first. You know what I'm saying? First, we got a royal blue hoodie with the A3 logo on it. You did. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Simple, simple. Move this camera down for y'all. Yes, sir. Get into that. That's that. And get it, play no games, I'm gonna get it to you. Oh yeah, I forgot, y'all. She definitely told me she threw in some extra stuff for me for supporting. Yes, sir. Got the A3 white long sleeve. Ashley's Amazing Athletes. Y'all already know I mess with the camo. Representing Chi-Town. You already know. A3 logo camo with the Chi-Town 773. Yeah. Y'all, I ordered so much stuff, I don't even remember. Oh, let me step back so y'all can get a good view. Y'all, it's hot. I gotta come out of this jacket. Throw that over there. But anyways, like, I ordered so much stuff, I don't remember what I ordered. So we got the black jogging suit, A3 logo on the pants. Y'all gonna see how it fully looks. You know what I'm saying? These the bottoms. A3 logo. Then we got the black pullover to match. You know what I'm saying? Got the A3 logo on the front. On the back, the neck part, you got the A3. Get it together, Shay. There you go. And then on the hood, you got athletes. Yeah. What else I got? She see what else we got in here. What we got, what we got, what we got. We got the orange zip up, baby. I like this orange a lot. A3 logo on the front. Then on the back, you got the big A3 on the back. Yes, sir. Y'all, she coming out with, y'all just gonna have to check it out, check it out. She got everything from women's, fit. All this is men's fit. She got women's fit. She got the winter stuff like she got hats. She got scullies for the winter time. Summertime, she gonna be bringing out the shorts and stuff. Y'all, just stay tuned for my girl. This the last thing, y'all. I got a red pullover. A3 on the front. With the A3 on the back. So I'm gonna try on all this stuff for y'all so y'all can see how it looks. I'm gonna make it swaggy one time. And then the stuff that I got before today, I might throw that in the video too so y'all can see everything. So stay tuned for this try on. Don't miss it. Make sure you watch this whole video through. And if you didn't already subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Like, comment, share. And I'm gonna see y'all in these next clips. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got on the first outfit. The first outfit I put together, I got on a royal blue pullover hoodie, size medium men's. I threw on a black hat with it, got on a black undershirt, light wash jeans, and then I got on a black and royal blue 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the first look. See what y'all think. Yeah, Shay. Yep. Yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into the second fit right now. Right now. All right, y'all, I'm back with outfit number 2. I got on a 2-piece all black A3 pullover with the A3 sweats. I threw on a white Nike hat. Got on some low top all white G Fazos. This giving me like game vibes. When you walking in the gym, y'all getting ready for y'all game. Coming to the school where everybody matching or whatever. I like this material a lot. Excuse me. I like this material a lot. It's soft, silky feeling. I wear this every day, even if I'm not like finna go hoop or something. Just something to throw on, something comfortable. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna shut up though and let y'all catch the vibes, Oh, before I let y'all see, the whole outfit I got on is a medium in men's, top and bottom. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. I like this a lot. I don't know if y'all could see from way back there on the back of the hood. The athletes on the hood part. I really like this one. Nice, simple, and comfortable. Alright, let me stop playing. I'm gonna go ahead and get into outfit number 3. Alright, y'all, we back. This is outfit number 3. I got on a long sleeve Chi-Town camo A3 logo. Threw on a camo hat. Some like medium wash ripped jeans with some all white Huaraches. Like I said, you can dress it how you want. Get your gear right now. Hit the link down below so you can go to the Instagram page, order you some gear. Look, simple but fly. You dig? This is an outfit that I will wear. Like, it's comfortable, simple. That's what I like. Y'all gonna keep hearing me say simple because I like simple. Simple but fly. You still swag with this though. Look. Yeah. Yes, sir. We gonna move on to outfit number 4. All right, y'all. We got on outfit number 4. Outfit number 4. I got on a red pullover compressed hoodie, black Nike hat. I got on some like medium wash jeans that's ripped at the knee with some all red Air Max. Catch the drip, catch the drip. Yeah. Catch the vibe. This material is like the black pullover that I had on, the 2-piece set. Nice and soft, silky. But this one, it's a little bit fitted. It's a compressed hoodie, so. And this one got the A3 on the back. Cut up, cut up, cut up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. I like this outfit, y'all. All right, we're gonna move on to outfit number 5. I'm just checking myself out in the mirror. I think we're gonna do 2 more outfits and then y'all gonna see me back at the end of this video and I'm gonna give y'all all the info. What's up, y'all? I'm back with outfit number 5. Outfit number 5, we got one more after this. I got on another A3 long sleeve white shirt. I got on this pink and white Bulls hat. Then I got on some pink and white 12s to match the hat with some medium wash biker jeans, ripped jeans. I threw on a pink because the letters on the shirt is pink, so tell me what y'all think. I think I did good. I know how to dress anything up. Feel me? Bring out the pink, threw on the hat with the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Black jean jacket. Yes. Oh. Distressed jean jacket. I like this look. I gotta check it out in the mirror again, y'all. Yee. Yes, sir. Y'all better go get y'all some gear and stop playing. We about to go ahead and get into this final look This gonna be the last look. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, this is the last and final look. I got on an A3 orange zip up hoodie. I threw on a polo hat because it got the orange logo symbol with some black ripped jeans that I made myself with some all black 12s. Last look, y'all, last look. Last look. Last look, y'all. Last look, last look. This orange is really popping with my skin tone. I love this orange. So look, y'all, that's the last outfit. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the info down below. So if you wanna copy some A3 gear, hit her Instagram link below, DM her so you can get your merch and stop playing. Don't miss out, man. Simple fly drip. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, kill the notification bell down below. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.